On April 3, 2025, a container washed ashore along the Hellshire coastline in St. Catherine, Jamaica. Its contents, frozen chicken labeled under the Brazilian brand Perdix, intended for the Cayman Islands, according to markings on the packaging. However, despite the unfolding controversy, neither Brazil nor Cayman has issued a public statement on the matter. Jamaica's Ministry of Agriculture quickly warned the public against consuming, selling, or distributing the chicken, citing serious food safety risks. Officials confirmed that the container fell from a vessel while in transit to the Cayman Islands. Jamaica Health Ministry revealed that the chicken were prepared for the market on October 24, 2024. That detail alone makes the whole story even more unbelievable, like, how did frozen chicken survive that long in the sea? 5 months drifting, going from sun to rain to saltwater to who knows what else. That's not food anymore, that's a science experiment. A whole huge shipping container full of frozen chicken, sealed, marked for market, dated October 24, 2024, drifting across the ocean like some ghost ship, and nobody report it missing? Brazil doesn't report the container missing, Cayman silent like church at midnight, and boom, in April 2025, it wash up nice and quiet on Hellshire shore in Jamaica. And me still stuck pon one question. How dem chicken look so clean? Dem never spoil, never stink, never mash up? Just rows and rows of neatly packed chicken, as if they had come off a supermarket shelf. If this was really just a lost shipment, how nobody out there searching? Insurance? Port Authority? Environmental agency? The silence from Brazil raised more questions. No official statement. No acknowledgement of the lost shipment. Cayman, a nearby point of passage, also had no answers. And there's a deeper layer. Brazil's poultry industry has been grappling with Newcastle disease, a highly contagious viral infection among birds. It's a disease that has already disrupted poultry exports and triggered international trade restrictions. Could these chickens be part of a rejected or abandoned shipment? Were they lost accidentally or intentionally? So the mystery deepens, how were they still fresh enough to show up looking untouched? Something doesn't add up.